In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an image into Perplexity, use a clear prompt to get helpful editing guidance, and then apply those results in your preferred photo editing tool. To begin, open Perplexity and go to the query box where you normally type your question. Look for the attachment or paperclip icon near that box. This is the option that lets you add an image for Perplexity to review. Click it, then choose the photo you want to work with from your device and upload it. Before moving on, take a second to confirm that the correct image appears in the chat or input area. That quick check can save time later, especially if you're comparing multiple photos or working with similar files. Once your image is uploaded, the next step is to tell Perplexity exactly what you want it to do. In the prompt box, type a direct instruction based on your goal. For example, you might ask it to analyze the image and list the steps needed to color correct it. If your goal is more creative, you could ask it to generate an image prompt based on the photo so you can recreate or expand the style elsewhere. The key here is clarity. The more specific your request is, the more useful and organized the response will usually be. Try to keep your instruction focused on one clear outcome so the results are easier to use. After that, let Perplexity process the image and your prompt. It will return tailored instructions, suggestions, or a generated prompt, depending on what you asked for. Read through the response carefully before using it. If the output looks too broad, you can refine your wording and ask again using more precise language. That helps you get instructions that are more practical for your exact image. Now take the final response and copy the useful parts into your editing software. If Perplexity gave you color correction steps, paste or follow those instructions inside a photo editor like Photoshop or Lightroom as you make the adjustments. If it generated a creative prompt, copy that into an image generation tool such as Midjourney and use it to create a variation inspired by your original photo. At this stage, you're simply executing the edits or prompt exactly where they belong. That's the full process. Upload the image, give Perplexity a clear instruction, and then apply the generated guidance in your editing tool. Keep your prompts specific, review the response before using it, and you'll get much more reliable results.